Hello, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to determine the limiting reactants in a chemical reaction so you can calculate the mass of the products. When 5 grams of magnesium reacts with 10 grams of hydrochloric acid, how many grams of hydrogen gas will be produced according to this equation that they gave us? So, before we can calculate grams of hydrogen, we need to figure out which of the reactants, magnesium or hydrochloric acid, is the limiting reactant. Because the products, their amount will be dependent on your limiting reactant, which is the reactant that was used up during the chemical reaction. So starting with magnesium, magnesium has 5 grams given to us, and then we're going to convert it to moles using the molar mass, which is 24.31 grams in 1 mole. Now, because we want the moles has to be on top and the grams will be below so that these two can cancel out. Now, if we move on, there is 1 mole of hydrogen in the equation. So their mole ratio, 1 mole of hydrogen against 1 mole of magnesium. This will cancel as well. And then we have 5 divided by 24.31 gives us 0.206 mole of hydrogen. Using the 10 grams of hydrochloric acid, we're going to convert that to moles of hydrogen as well. So we have 10 grams HCl, and then 1 mole in 36.458 grams of HCl. So we just use the molar mass that they gave us to convert it to moles. According to the equation, there is 1 mole of hydrogen and 2 moles of HCl. The grams will cancel, the moles will cancel, and we're just going to have 10 times 1 times 1, divide that by 36.45 times 2, and that gives me a 0.137 mole of hydrogen. Now, the limiting reactant would be HCl because that gives me a smaller amount of the hydrogen. Okay, that's how you determine your limiting reactant. So since the HCl is the limiting reactant, we're going to make use of this mole to find the mass of hydrogen gas. The magnesium would be your excess reactant because the mole of hydrogen produced is higher than that of HCl. Okay, so that is how you can figure out your limiting reactant. I would go ahead and use the mole to solve for the grams of hydrogen. So 0.137 mole of hydrogen, multiply that by the molar mass of hydrogen, 2.016 grams per mole. The moles will cancel, and the grams will be 0.28 grams of hydrogen gas.